Hey there! Are you having trouble receiving email notifications on your iPhone? Don't worry, you're not alone. This issue can pop up for a variety of reasons, like notification settings, app glitches, or even some system hiccups. But don't fret, I'm here to help you get it sorted out. In this guide, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to make sure those email notifications come through loud and clear. Let's jump right into it. Before diving in, let's try a few quick fixes. First, try to turn off Do Not Disturb, Low Power Mode, Silent Mode. Now, let's get back to the main process. Solution 1. Check notification settings. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Look for and tap on Mail. Ensure that Allow Notifications is switched on. Check that the Alerts option, Lock Screen, Notification Center, Banners are all enabled. Make sure that Sounds and Badges are also turned on. Solution 2. Enable Background App Refresh. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on General. Tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that Background App Refresh is enabled for both Wi-Fi and cellular data. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 3. Reset the settings. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on General. Tap on Reset. Tap on Reset All Settings. Note, this will reset all settings but won't delete your data. Re-add the email account. Open Settings. Scroll down. Tap on Mail. Scroll down and tap on Accounts. Select the email account and tap on Delete Account. Tap on Add Account and follow the prompts to re-add your email account. By following these steps, you should be able to fix any issues with email notifications not working on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble or need a bit more help, don't hesitate to reach out for more support. Happy emailing!